Hi students, I am Sandhanathan, mathematics teacher for class 10. Class 10 quadratic equation solving by factorization method. See here root 2 is there. Already we complete 3 problems in this factorization model. Since one more problem because this contains root 2 x square plus 7x 5 root 2 is there. That's why I am taking this one. So here a value is root 2, b value is 7, c value is 5 root 2. So multiply this and this. So what you will get? Root 2 into root 2, 2. 5 is there. So 5 into 2, 10. So product is 10. Correct? So I method. What is that b value? 7. So 7 we need. Summation is 7. Product is 10. Like this we have to find two numbers. 5 into 2, 10. But actually if you multiply this to 10, if you add this 7, so exactly it comes. So we can select these two numbers. So root 2 x square, instead of this 7x, how to write? 5x plus 2x. Like this we have to write. 5 root 2 is equal to 0. That's all. After that, from this 2, what we can take out? X we can take out. Here root 2, here 5. There is no common between these two. So we cannot take. So remaining root 2, 1x will be there, plus 5x is there, x we took out, so remaining 5. That's all. From these two, what we can take out? See here, listen carefully. Here 2, here root 2. 2 means root 2 into 2. Root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2s are there. So 1 root 2 we can take out. So what will be the remaining? 1 more root 2 will be there into x. Plus this root 2 we are taking out. Another 1 5 will be there. Which is equal to 0. So that root 2x plus 5, here also root 2x plus 5. So that root 2 x plus 5 we can take out. What is that remaining? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Individually make it equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So from this, x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. First solution or root we can say. From this, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to minus root 2. So 2 roots. Minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. See that fifth sum, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Like this they given. So denominator 8 is there, right? So what I am taking, just I am multiplying by 8. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Denominator 8. So multiply by 8 means what you will get? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you just follow the same procedure. So factorization method is over. Now another method is quadratic formula. That is formula method. So we can solve this quadratic equations by formula method also. What is that formula? Formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, then square root, divided by 2a. We know what is a, b, c values, right? So we can use this formula for any quadratic equation. But in this factorization method, we can apply only few problems only we can apply this factorization method, because by that I method we cannot find for all the problems. Okay, suppose for example little bit bigger number or too much of time we will take for that to find the numbers. If it is so, you just use this formula method. It will be very easy and quickly we can find the answer. Okay, for example, solve the same problem. Will take root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now only we complete the same problem by factorization method. Now we'll do by formula method. Okay, here a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, therefore directly we can write this one, or one more also we can do, that is first to find this root 1 within root b square minus 4ac is there, right? First to find this value, that is called a discriminant. That within this discriminant is called a d is equal to b square minus 4ac value. First to find this value. So what is b here? 7. So 7 square minus 4 into a value is root 2, c value is 5 root 2, right? So what you will get? 49 minus 4 5s are 20, 20 into, see here, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 5s are 20, 20 into 2 40. So this is becomes 40. This is 9. Actually this is greater than 0, right? So this d value is 9, which is greater than 0, and also it is a perfect square, right? So therefore we can apply here x is equal to minus b. So b value is 7, so minus 7 plus or minus square root of 9 the whole divided by 2 into minus b. Minus b from this formula, minus b, actually b value is 7, so minus 7 plus or minus formula within root d value is 9, so that 9 I write here, divided by 2a. So 2 into what is a value? Root 2. That's all. So minus 7 plus or minus, what is the root of 9? 3. That's why plus or minus 3. It may be plus 3 or minus 3. That's why plus or minus 2 root 2. So first you take the plus value, what you will get? Minus 7 plus 3 divided by 2 root 2. Another one, minus 7 minus 3 divided by 2 root 2. So what you will get? Minus 4 divided by 2 root 2 minus 10 divided by 2 root 2. This you cancel here. So what is this? Minus 2 divided by root 2. Once again, this minus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, correct? Divided by 1 root 2. This 1 root 2 we can cancel. Here minus 5 by root 2. So finally what we are getting? Minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. This is, these twos are the roots of the quadratic equation. The same answer we get. So we can use by factorization method or formula method, but actually formula method is easy. This method we can apply for all the problems. This formula method we can apply for all the problems, but factorization method is not applicable for all the problems. Some situation we cannot find that values. That's why we are using this. Thanks for watching.